Cooler Master has sent me these parts to build an epic high-end gaming PC. So I'll be building this monster as well as putting it to the test in some popular games by cranking up those settings in 1440p. But before we get into that, let me break down these specs and show you what I got.
The star of the show here is the RTX 4070 Ti Super. This is one of the best cards that money can buy right now. With 16 gigs of GDDR6X VRAM, this is really a powerhouse. And we paired this GPU with the Ryzen 7800X 3D. With 8 cores, 12 threads, this CPU should be able to handle any game you throw at it. To power this whole build, Cooler Master has sent me their 1250 watt 80 plus gold fully modular GX3 power supply. This high-end power supply ensures we have plenty of power to push this build, and we're definitely going to be doing that with some of these AAA games in the benchmarks later. And to make sure the temperatures stay nice and cool while pushing this machine, we are rocking the Cooler Master Master Liquid 360 Ion. This thing is absolutely beautiful with its 1-inch LCD screen and 3 ARGB Mobius 120p fans. Now you can actually change this LCD to any GIF or any meme that you want if you download the software. The ASRock B650E is a heavy-duty AM5 motherboard with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, of course, so we really ensure this build has a lot of upgrade potential. To ensure we won't need any upgrades anytime soon, the Solidigm 2TB Gen 4 NVMe will offer plenty of super fast storage, so even Call of Duty won't be a problem. And with 32 gigs of DDR5 memory at 6000 MHz, we can game, stream, and content create and run like a dream. And all of these sweet PC parts will be housed in the Cooler Master Masterbox 600. This case has great features that you should really look for when building a high-end PC like this. It has optimized airflow, a removable HDD caddy, and plenty of room for upgrades in this big case. I was surprised when opening the case to see an ARGB GPU support. I was not expecting to get this. Thank you again, Cooler Master, for inspiring this beautiful high-end gaming PC. I can't wait to see how it turns out, so let's get right into building, shall we?
We're finally in Warzone. We are rocking ultra settings, DLSS off, and basically everything else pretty high. This is not as fully cranked up as you could be, but we're going for a mixture between good looking settings and performance. MSI Afterburner messed up a little bit, so the GPU is at the bottom, but you can see we're really maxing out that GPU. It's taking pretty much most of the load here. Now, I am not as good at games as Matt and Jackson are, but we're gonna try here to at least get one kill. Uh-oh. I need something. I hear footsteps. There we go. Oh! Yeah, I got him. That was probably a bot though. Yeah, overall there is no weird issues going on at all. Warzone is not going to be the max that we're going to push this thing to. Later down you're going to see we're going to try to do some ray tracing in Cyberpunk. Fortnite will probably crank it up even more. We'll get that CPU pushing a little bit more. But so far so good here. Oh my god, never mind, never mind. Run, run, run. I forgot about the gulag. All right, if I win this gulag, you have to sub. Oh no, please. How did I do that? Well, you have to sub now. All right, we're gonna dial in here and try to get as many kills as possible. Oh my God. Oh shoot, no. I have no shields, it's crazy. Oh. Got him. Oh, that sucks. All right, that was Warzone, everybody. Let's check out Fortnite next and push that CPU a little bit. We're in Fortnite, rocking 1440p, and I pretty much just cranked everything up to epic. We're gonna see how the CPU handles this and what kind of frames we can get if we're just cranking up the settings. When we land and get everything loaded in, it'll be a little bit better. Whoa, it does look good though. I usually don't get to play Fortnite with this high of setting. All right, we've landed, loaded some things in. We are rocking a little bit higher than 60 frames now. And as you'd expect, the 4070 Ti Super is really doing some work here. I mean, for the most part, this is playable, but I think for a more competitive aspect, you want to turn the settings down just a little bit and still be able to look really good. But this is definitely not the most optimized settings, but it looks really good. I feel like this is the way God intended Fortnite to be played. Like if you compare this to a super budget PC, rocking performance and pretty much all the textures turned down low, this almost feels like a different game. And getting a high-end PC to experience games like this, I just feel like is a whole different gaming experience. I mean, I love being able to crank things up. Some people are really just in it for the gameplay. As you can tell, I'm not a good gamer, so I'm really more in it just for the games to look awesome. Oh, is that someone? Oh my God, I'm gonna hit him. All right, one more should do it. Lars the King. Sorry about that, bro. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. All right, he's done. Uh-oh. Never mind. Where'd he go? Crazy. I'm gonna just run over them too. That's my favorite thing to do. Boing. All right, they're done. They're done. Not the bot. They can't beat the car. Best strat in the game. But yeah, overall, like, this PC is a beast. And if you get a PC like this, I mean, you really don't have to worry about settings that much. You can crank everything up without thinking about it and know that you're gonna have a good time. And wait. I got him. Wait, 1 second. Yeah. So yeah, you'll know you'll have a good time cranking up those settings, even if they're not perfectly optimized, because, I mean, you got a beast of a PC. So let's wrap this video up, and I have a couple more benchmarks to show you at the end here. I just finished the benchmarks on this high-end 1440 PC. To no surprise, this PC really just blew all the games out of the water. And that's just really one of the joys of going all out and getting a high-end PC, is you get to experience PC gaming at its peak. Like in Cyberpunk, I had no issues cranking up those settings and even turning on ray tracing to get over 100 FPS. It was really awesome experience to game on this thing and build it. Thank you so much again to Cooler Master for sending those parts, and everything just turned out beautifully. And thank you all so much for watching. Without you all, PCBros would not have gotten this opportunity. This is our first YouTube brand deal kind of style video. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this style of video and what other things you want to see on this channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.